Hey everyone, it's Ben the Paleo Dude here with another video. Today we're at another Walmart. Look at that, we've got Godzilla vs. Kong restocked. We got the Camp Cretaceous Parasaurolophus, loads of Troodon and gallimimus, and they restocked the Spino 34. That is wicked. I probably should not buy more. There's 4 of them. So we are just getting boatloads of them for some reason and on sale. Isn't that crazy? We've got Toro, also restocked, at the same price. Very odd, since it's like a lot smaller. You can see the size comparison there. But what I do not see is the eggs. That's what I came here for, at least. Interesting. But maybe they're just... did they sell out? Huh, sad. There's a few people that need them, so I'll have to go to another Walmart to find the surprise eggs, but I might pick up one of these guys while I'm here. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this little update on Canadian Walmarts, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.